You're deep in the middle of sorting your photo mess and you're wondering, should I be using a gadget to speed this up? You're not alone. From fast photo scanners to clever USB drives that promise to find and save all of your memories at the push of a button. It sounds dreamy, but are these gadgets actually worth it? In this video, I'll walk you through the most talked about tools in photo organizing, the ones I've tried, tested, and seen clients use in the real world. Plus, stick around to the end because I'll be sharing one small but mighty gadget that helps me organize even while I'm traveling. Photo scanners. Let's begin with what I'd call a classic photo organizing investment, a dedicated photo scanner. These are perfect if you've got a collection of printed photos that you're looking to digitize. You might have come across scanners like the Epson FastFoto or the Plustek ePhoto Z300. These aren't your traditional flatbed scanners. They are designed specifically for photo scanning and they're built for speed. One of the biggest benefits of using something like the FastFoto, well, is its speed. You can scan a photo a second, both front and back, which is amazing if you've written notes or dates on the back of your prints. Many of these scanners also come with built-in software that helps you crop, rotate, and even apply color correction. You can scan an entire stack of photos in a weekend rather than spending months scanning one photo at a time. But it's not all perfect. These scanners are a bit of an investment. Prices typically range from £150 to £500 for the higher end models, so they're not ideal if you've only got a few photos to scan. Also, the software they come with can be a little bit tricky to get the hang of. You might need to do a bit of tweaking to get the photos looking just right. And another thing to consider is space. These aren't exactly tiny gadgets you can tuck in a drawer. You'll need to have somewhere to keep them when you're not using them. So are they worth it? Honestly, if you've got boxes of printed photos and you're doing a big family archiving project, I say yes. Absolutely worth the investment. But if you've only got a few photos and you're doing it slowly over time, a good phone scan app like Google PhotoScan or PhotoMine might do the job just fine. Backup gadgets. Next up are plug-and-play backup devices like PhotoStick or SanDisk iXpand. These are those little USB gadgets that you might have seen advertised claiming to back up all your photos in one click. They're designed to plug into your phone or computer, scan for all your photos on your device, and then save them onto the stick automatically. People love them because they're simple, there's no monthly subscription, no logging into a cloud service, you just plug it in, follow a few on-screen steps and let it do the work. They're also small, which makes them easy to keep in your bag or share with a family member. But here's the reality. While they sound perfect, they don't always catch every photo. If you've got pictures saved in odd places or hidden deep inside folders, they might not get picked up. So they're good, but they're not foolproof. The software that comes with these sticks is also quite basic. You'll likely still need to do some organizing and renaming once your photos are copied over. Another thing to consider is compatibility. Some versions only work with Android, others with iPhone, and they sometimes require additional adapters or apps to work properly. So, are they worth it? If you want a no-fuss backup option and you're not quite ready to go full cloud-based, I'd say yes. They're a good starting point, but don't expect them to be your full organizing solution. Think of them as a safety net, a backup tool, not a sorter. Home cloud hubs. Now let's talk about home-based photo hubs like Momentum 2 or SanDisk EB. These are smart storage devices that sit in your home and act a bit like your own private cloud. They are designed to automatically back up your photos from multiple devices. So your phone, your partner's phone, your computer, even existing cloud accounts, and then organize those photos using facial recognition, dates, and locations. The big win here is control. You are not relying on Google or Apple or any other third-party cloud services. All your data stays with you, which can be a big comfort for those who value privacy. Another benefit is syncing. Once everything is connected, you don't need to think about it. Photos are quietly backing up in the background. And the organizing tools can be quite powerful. Some of these devices use AI to group photos by people and events, which is handy for quickly building collections. But there are a few drawbacks. First, they're not cheap. Most start at around £150 and can go considerably higher depending on the storage capacity. They also require a bit of tech confidence. The setup isn't always as straightforward as the marketing makes it sound. You'll need to link devices, check permissions, and manage your settings. And if something goes wrong, well, you are the tech support. Unlike Google or Apple, where you can hit restore, with these devices, you're on your own unless you've set up a proper backup. So are they worth it? If you want total control and like the idea of a private, all-in-one photo hub and you're happy to tinker a bit, they can be brilliant. But they are not for the faint-hearted or those who want a simple set it and forget it solution. Now, while all these gadgets can absolutely help, let's be honest, they are not a replacement for a good system. That's exactly why I created my PhotoMess Success courses. They are designed to walk you through step by step to create an organized, beautiful photo collection that actually works. To find out more, you can head on over to photomesssuccess.co.uk, where I'll take you from mess to mastery, one step at a time. All right, let's move on to what I actually think of photo gadgets. Do these photo gadgets replace a good system? So here's the bottom line. Gadgets are fantastic for doing the heavy lifting. They can save you hours of scanning or backing up, but they can't replace the thinking part of organizing. You still need to decide which photos to keep, how to structure your folders, and what your long-term backup plan is. These tools are helpers, they are not a magic fix. Before you splash out on anything, ask yourself, do I want speed or do I want control? Am I dealing with a huge archive or just the last few years? And most importantly, will I actually use this gadget regularly or will it end up in a drawer? A £300 scanner is amazing if you've got 10,000 photos, but if you've just got one folder, it might be smarter to borrow one or use an app. Bonus tip, my travel sorting secret. Here's one of my favorite little travel tips, a dual USB flash drive. It's got a USB and a lightning connection. When I'm traveling, I use this to offload my photos at the end of the day. I plug it into my phone, transfer the day's photos, and then pop it into my laptop for later sorting. It keeps my phone clear, it means I've got a backup straight away, and it saves me from that dreaded "your storage is full" message, right in the middle of a beautiful view or family moment. It's a small, simple, and so useful, especially if you take lots of photos while you're away. So are photo organizing gadgets worth it? Honestly, it depends. If you have a clear goal like digitizing prints or backing up years of photos, the right gadget can be a game changer. But if you're still knee-deep in photo chaos, start with a solid system and build from there. And if you want help building that system, don't forget to check out my PhotoMess Success courses. I'd love to help you go from photo mess to mastery, one step at a time. But if you want to make sure your photos are all backed up properly, make sure you check out this video next. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more photo organizing tips. Have fun rediscovering your memories. I'll see you in my next video.